Hello everyone, welcome back to Jinamon channel. In today's recipe, I will share with you how to make the best curry puffs you ever make. This is an easy homemade snack and it turned out so delicious. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in flour, sugar, salt. I then stirred till well combined and then I added in oil. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So mix till it forms a breadcrumbs consistency and add in water. This is the consistency you're looking for. Add in water. The water I didn't add into it all at once. Beat at a time, mix till well combined, and then I added in the rest. You do not want a sticky dough, so don't add in much water. Beat at a time until it form a dough. For instance, I divided it into 3 equal parts. I added in the first, the second, and then the last one. So like whilst adding it, then you are mixing it until you get to this consistency. Knead it in the bowl or even on your work surface for about 5 minutes, not that much. So this is what you're looking for. It should be something like this when done. You do not want a sticky dough. After, go ahead and divide it into 8 equal parts. Bring one, roll it in the bowl shape and keep it aside. So this is what you're looking for. When done, let it sit for at least 30 minutes before going to the next step. Set it aside. So in this video or in this recipe, you need 2 different type of dough in this recipe. So the next one, add in the same bowl, add flour to your bowl or put in your flour and then add in oil little at a time, beat at a time. Like I said, I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So if you don't, or if you're mixing something, just go through the comment section and you'll find the ingredient that I used. So mix beat at a time until it form a dough. So this dough, it was only oil that I added to it. I didn't add in any water. So this is what you're looking for. Mix until well combined until it has formed a dough. Divide it into 8 equal parts as well and then roll it in the ball shape like this. When done, keep it aside. So after 30 minutes, bring the first dough and try to create space in the middle. When done, put the dough with the oil, the second dough, put one in. So like you can tell from the video, I divided it into 8 equal parts and 8 equal parts. So when done, bring one, put it in the middle, roll it in the bowl shape on your palm and make sure it's sealed well like this. This is what you're looking for. And then when done, cover it with a cling film and let this sit for at least 1 hour before moving to the next step. So during that 1 hour, you can go ahead with your filling, or you can even do your filling before, set it aside before going in with the dough. So for the filling, I added oil to my saucepan, followed by chopped onion and green pepper. I stirred till I let it to cook from 2 to 4 minutes before adding in my chicken breast. I added in chili powder and potatoes. So I'll stir this and then I'll add in curry. So you are making curry puffs, so you need curry for this recipe. I then added in vegetable seasoning and a little bit of salt. I added in water, covered it and let it cook until it was ready. So this took like from 10 to 15 minutes. Go ahead and let it cook until the potatoes are cooked. From time to time, go ahead and give it a quick stir. So the last ingredient that I added was scrambled eggs and dried parsley. So this is what you're looking for. It should be something like this when done. The potatoes should be soft as well. You should be able to mash the potatoes. So this is very easy to make, and trust me, this feeling was Once you are done, keep it aside and then let's move to the to roll the dough and then add in the filling. Bring one of the dough, roll it in the sausage shape and then transfer it on your work surface. Roll it out again and then roll it. Just if you don't understand anything, go back and then follow the video carefully. So when done rolling it, put it in the long shape and then use your wooden your rolling pin to roll it again, and then roll it another time before dividing it into 3 equal parts. So guys, as you can tell from the video, just look at the lines. It should be something like this when done. When done, put it in the halfway as demonstrated in the video, and use your palm to press it before going in with your rolling pin, and then press it again. So this is what you're looking for. It should be something like this when done. Flip it and then add in your filling. This was around a tablespoon or half tablespoon of the filling because it's quite small. Pinch it to seal it well, and then transfer it on your work surface. Use a fork to seal it well, and you are good to go. Those bad boys are ready to be fried. Wow, just look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So go ahead and deep fry these bad boys, and in no time it is ready. You want a crispy fried puffs. You know, this is easy. It is easy, and it turned out so delicious, guys. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try, because trust me, it's very nice. It was my first time making this, but I really enjoyed making it, and then I really love it. Just look at it. It was very crispy, and it's so delicious. Try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Stay close to it and keep flipping it or keep turning it until it's ready. When it's ready, remove it from the oil and drain the excess oil on a paper towel. And here you go. This is very easy. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you're going to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.